Angie. Hey, we're gonna learn it from Angie. She's a robot from Sweet. We're gonna learn it from Angie.
That's me. Welcome to Engineering Expo. Well, what are you waiting for? Let's go.
Hi, I'm Tyler, and I want to be a veterinarian. And this is my brother.
Hi, I'm Gavin, and I want to be a pilot. Today we will be making slime.
And here are the ingredients that you will need.
We have a lot of fun making slime, but do you know how the slime works? We use glue, which is made up of long molecule chains called polymers.
Think like lots of little teeny tiny spaghetti noodles that slide over each other in the glue.
When we add the contact solution, it acts like an activator.
This makes the long chains of polymers link up in a bunch of different ways, like a big mess of spaghetti noodles.
This is called crosslinking. When the glue crosslinks, it makes it so that the polymers cannot slide around each other as easily.
This makes the mixture thicker and gives us slime.
Let's go ahead and make the slime now.
The first step is to put 4 ounces of glue into your bowl. You could use a bag or a bowl, but we think bowls would work best.
The second step is to add a teaspoon of baking soda.
Next, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of lens contact solution into the mixture. If after you stir and knead your slime for a little bit, it's still not getting that slime consistency, you can add a little more solution bit by bit.
The last step is optional. You can add some food coloring to make your slime your favorite color.
I will be adding 2 to 3 drops of yellow food coloring and some silver glitter. Fair warning with the glitter though, it can get a little messy and it might stick to your fingers and hands.
I'll be using some blue food coloring because blue is my favorite color.
The last step is to stir and knead the slime until it becomes like slime.
To recap, we put glue and contact lens solution into a bowl to make slime.
The contact solutions make the polymers in the glue interact and cross-link.
Get out your engineering notebook and answer these questions. We know there are other ways to make slime. What ingredients are used, like laundry detergent?
In the other versions of slime, which ingredients are the polymers and which are the activators? Thank you for joining us today.
Take a picture or short video of your slime and upload it to our event page.
You could even win a prize.
Until then,
See you next time.
Angie, we're gonna learn it from Angie. We're gonna learn it from Angie.
Here are the ingredients that you will need.
Perfect. I thought that was really good. One thing, we need to take the papers off.
We're gonna learn it from Angie.
See you next time. See you next time. See you next time. See you next time.
Angie, she's a
I don't care if it's like a Vanna White it, or you don't probably know who Vanna White is. Yes, like that, exactly. That was what I was looking for. Something a little goofy.
She's a robot from Sweet. We're gonna learn it from Angie.
That's me. Thanks for joining us today. See you next time.